once again. See here, so dollar is equal to read line of the value. Specify inside let us echo of dollar. So if you have F8, you can specify the input as 10. Here you can specify the input as 10. And then you run here. So here it is printing as 12. Can you able to view the screen? So first we'll see the if statement. So this if statement is if condition, then you need to specify the code to be executed. If this condition is true, then the statement will be executed, otherwise it will be skipped. This first I'll be giving you the syntax, then we'll go for the execution part. And in case of if else, if condition, and then if block, this belongs to if block, then else, and then if it belongs to the else part. So if the particular condition block, if block will be executed, if this condition is false, block will be executed. Just like in other languages. Next is if else statement will be having, if you say for example if else if and else will be used if you need to check 2 to 3 conditions. So if first condition, that is condition 1, and then else if condition true 2, and then else. So if the first condition is true, this if block will be executed. If this condition is false, then it will go for the else if block to check for the second condition. If the second condition is true, then this else if block will be executed. If both the conditions are false, then it will move to the else block, where the else block code will be executed. Clear? This is about if and else statements. Any doubt? Next, switch, and then you need to specify the variable or the condition variable or the integer here, and here you need to give the options. Case label 1, that is the first option, and this one specifies the second option, and then default value. So here the first option will be checked. If the first option is matching, then it will the first block will be executed. If the second option is matching, then the second block will be executed, or else the default value will be executed in case of switch statement. So this is about decision making statements, or you can say it as a conditional statement. So we'll first, before moving into the loops, first we'll execute some of the programs related to this conditional statements, and then we'll move to the looping part. So first we'll check for the if condition. Say for example, if you are checking for the age of the person, and we'll check whether it's eligible to vote or not. So first we'll declare a variable as age is equal to, we can get the input from the user. Age read line of, enter the age. Then device /n. Then we can give if block, if $age greater than equal to 18. In the sense, then we can echo the person is eligible to vote. Okay, so then we can, here is the closing of the peach biscuit and we can give the input here. So say for example, you can give the input as 26 and if you run, see here. So here the age is taken as 26 and it is checking for the age. Here the age is greater than or equal to 18, so the condition is true. So it will come inside this if loop and then here that is the